Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Okay. Did you subscribe for Azure free trial?
Yes, I did.
Sorry.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Did you face any issues? No, right?
No issues.
Okay. Did anyone use debit card details to subscribe for Azure free trial? No one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Can you see my screen, everyone? Okay. See.
Yes.
Once you subscribe for Azure free trial, just we have to go for URL. What was the URL? Portal.azure.com. Okay. Hit enter. See, enter the credentials. See, already I entered the credentials. It is stored over here. So when I click on it, it will ask the password. Enter the password. Just go through next step. Yeah, click on it. See, it's taking the password. It is opening Azure portal. Okay. Yeah. So this is the overview of Microsoft Azure portal. Now, first thing is which I would like to inform here is notifications. What is that? Notifications. What is the notifications? So the notification part is very important. Okay, this is the notification. Will yeah, this is the notification. Okay, so what is the use of notification is just it will inform you whether your created service is successful or not, or it has some issue. That information it will display in notifications. Okay, not only that, so whatever the amount is left, I mean free credits, when you subscribe with Azure free trial, you might have got 14,500, right? That amount, whatever the amount is left, that will be appear over here. It will update every 1 hour. What is that? This update every 1 hour. For example, just now I created one virtual machine. Okay, I used half an hour. So 10 rupees for 1 hour, right? That 10 rupees amount would be deducted like 7,260. That remaining amount would be replicated here. Okay. Yeah. This is about what? Notifications. Next, another important thing is settings. See, when you go for settings, see, in left side, there is no menu. What is that? Left side, there is no menu. Okay, so to create any service in Microsoft Azure, we have to go for three underlines and choose the required services, create it. Are you getting? Okay, yeah. Now click on what is that? Three underlines. Go to required service, create it. Okay, yeah, this is about what? Settings. Now I want to place permanently this left side menu. How to do that? Click on settings. There is a appearance and startup views. So go on dock it. Okay. Yeah. When you click on dock, apply. Okay. Apply. See, clear. Okay. It is applied. Now another thing is go to settings, appearance. There is a what? Azure blue color, light, dark are there. You can change look and feel of this Azure portal. See, now entire portal is changed to black color. Now same way, again click on settings, appearance. Here we can go for what? Blue color. Yeah, it is blue and white combination. Okay, that is up to you. Based on your requirement and all, you can change what is that? These colors and themes. Okay, so entire this portal is displaying English language, right? English language. If you know, for example, Chinese people or Arabian people, they would like to read and everything in their local languages. Okay, local languages. Now click on settings, appearance and startup. Okay, yeah. Other thing is local language and region. When you go for language and region, see by default it is showing English language. Regional format is United States. Now change it, scroll down, and this is Chinese language. When you apply Chinese language, apply it. So now entire portal would be appear in Chinese language. So now Chinese people, they will develop and deploy all application in their local languages. Got it? Okay. So all the services now displaying Chinese language. Next. Now, if you know Arabian language or something, okay, Dutch, you can go and apply it. This is Japanese language. Yeah, sorry, Korean language. See, this is what Korea languages. Got it? Okay, fine. Don't expect about Telugu, Hindi, and all. So maybe Hindi they will launch future. There is no Telugu and Hindi and Tamil options. So now I am going for English. Applied. Yes. Okay. Yeah. This is about what? How to do the settings in Microsoft Azure portal. Okay. Two things are completed. Okay. Another thing is, see, this is the left side menu. What is that? This is left side menu. Or technically we will call it as blade. BLADE. Okay. This left side menu we will call it as what? Blade. Okay. Yeah. Next. Apart from that, this is what? Your settings, your account details, your account credentials. Now just click on it. Here you can go and verify my Microsoft account. Just verify. Okay. Yeah. See, this is your Microsoft account credentials. Now go to your info. Just click on info. Here you will get date of birth. Okay. Region, billing address. Okay. So your photo, that all you can apply it. So coming to the billing details, there is a what? Billing and the payment options. Just go and verify what is that payment options. Here we have to enter credentials. Okay, enter the credentials. Enter. See guys, it is showing 00 USD dollar. Now, whatever the credit card you have used while subscribing for Azure free trial, now here it will show you. Okay, this is the credit card details and it is showing name and what type of card they are using, they can use it. Okay, anytime you can go and remove this card, edit, you can add another credit cards. Okay, that is up to you. Now, leave it. This is about what? Your information. So the final thing is there is a what? Cloud shell. Cloud shell means PowerShell. Here you can write the script and automate the infrastructure in Microsoft Azure Cloud. Got it? I am repeating. Here just click on it, drag. What is that? Drag it. Okay. Here you can, what is that? Write the PowerShell script or shell scripting or Python or Terraform and execute it, and we can automate it by using Cloud Shell. Okay, yeah. Now this we will call it as what? Cloud Shell. Now when I move the cursor, see it will display Cloud Shell. Okay, yeah. This is power of Microsoft Azure. This is overview of Microsoft Azure portal. How can we navigate it? Finally, I can say the Azure portal is one-page application. What is that? One-page application. What is the one-page application? In real time, you might have seen that one-page profile, right? Yes or no, guys? In real time, people. Did you hear about it? One-page profile? No. So after joining the company, any organizations, the client will not go through entire all 4 and 5 pages of your resume. Okay, he will expect everything in single page. That's it. Your education details, years of experience, technology skills. That's it. This we will call it as what? One page profile. Okay, same way, Microsoft has designed this application one page application. This is only one page. Okay, when I click on something else, see app services, it is rendering in this location itself, whatever I am highlighting. Okay, now have a look. When I click on function app, when I click on storage account, everything that is displaying in this location itself. Okay, so actually it is not taking us to somewhere to here to somewhere and up. So everything that is rendering in this location itself. This we will call it as one page application. Really, it is wonderful functionality which introduced by Microsoft. Okay, when you go for AWS, AWS is a grid format like this. We have many things are there, right? So we have to go for specific category and click on it, navigate it. So here the navigation is very simple. So within the page itself, all services they included. Okay, this we will call it as what? One page profile. Okay, yeah. Next, to deploy anything in Microsoft Azure, we have to follow this architecture. Okay, first thing is subscription. What is the subscription, guys? We can say license. Am I right?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, fine. What is the subscription? Note it down. Collection of resource groups. Collection of resource groups. What is a resource group? Collection of resources. Okay, so forget about these things. Yeah. So if you know this hierarchy, that is the Microsoft Azure, nothing else. I am repeating. What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Here, a subscription in the sense Already you might have subscribed for what? Azure free trial, right? Free trial. What else we have? Pay as you go model. Next, enterprise. What is that? Enterprise. Next, what else? Visual Studio Enterprise, Visual Studio Premium, Visual Studio Developer. Like that, there are plenty of what is that? Subscriptions are there. So whatever the things are used for your organizations, whatever the requirement is there for our organization, then go ahead and adopt the subscription. Okay, yeah, this is about what subscription. Under every subscription, we will have multiple resource group. Every resource group represents as a project. Okay, every resource group represents as a project. For example, you are working in TCS. We have .NET project. What is that? We have .NET projects. Okay, .NET projects. Same way we have Java projects. Okay, Java project related servers, storage, network, database, load balancer, DNS name, network monitoring tools, security thing, everything we will deploy under Java project. So for and all these resources, there is a billing. For Java billing, assume that per month they are paying $1,000. Same way, you got another project .NET. .NET related server, storage, network, database, DNS, load balancer, traffic manager, application gateway, networking, everything we will deploy under .NET project. So finally, it is billable. So for that purpose, Microsoft provided what? Resource groups concepts. Okay, yeah, resource group for concept. Clear? It's nice. Next, technically we can say, what is the resource group? Uh, Resource group is a container, not it all. Resource group is a container which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Azure project solution, which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Okay, every resource in Azure, every resource in Azure should fall down under one resource group. This is mandatory. Tomorrow, if you are going to create virtual machine, storage account, database, anything, that should fall down under one resource group. Okay. Yeah. So resources which are deployed under resource group are billable. What is that? Billable. Okay. What are the advantages of the resource group? One is resource management is easy. What is that? Resource management is easy. Next, control the cost. What is that? Control the cost. Okay, yeah. Next, we are bringing all the resources on under single umbrella so that management is easy. Am I right? Yeah. Next, if any services are not using from long time, okay, for example, one VM is there, we are not using from long time, then go on delete immediately so we can save the cost. Okay, provisioning the resources in Azure, just it will take 1 minute. Provisioning the resources in Azure, it will take just minute. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Next. Now have a look. First, I am going to perform what is that? Create the resource group. That is very first step in Microsoft Azure. Okay. How to create the resource group? In left side, there is a one option called resource groups. Click on it. Okay. Create. Yeah. See, it is giving some information. Can you read it out? Anyone? Resource group is a container which holds the resources for Azure project solution. So container in the sense, can you come real time? So yeah, you are going for shopping mall or you are going for DMart, more supermarket, something else. When you go for DMart, you will get all the items, right? And they will keep it in one basket. You will kept it in one basket where they will keep it all your grocery items, whatever the things are need for your home. So at end of the what is that? Cash counter, you are paying the bill for all the items, right? Am I right? Yes
Correct.
or no? Yes. So this basket, can I call it as container?
Yes.
Yes. So whatever the items you kept it in that container, that is billable. Same way here. Okay. So I am calling it as resource group is a container, and whatever the services or resources are required for your project, that we will keep them in container itself. That technically we will call it as resource group. Okay. Yeah. See, what is the subscription? As I said,
Collection
collection
of
of
resources.
resource group. What is the resource group?
Collection of resources.
Collection of resources. In next session, what I will do? I will deploy VM. Day after tomorrow, storage account. Next, networking, load balancer, firewall, monitoring. Okay, all these services we will deploy under one resource group. Clear? Finally, this is the billable. So for organization, they can track where exactly they are losing the money, where exactly the money is management is good. That all for tracking, they can easily do that. Okay, yeah, fine. Next, now, what is the resource group name? The resource group name that is depends on naming conventions. So that will followed by organization. For example, my project is PwC, Price Waterhouse Coopers. I fund, this is Java technology. I fund RG I am giving. RG in the sense
Resource group.
Resource group.
resource group. Okay. Or else you can go for Java 2022 hyphen RG or PwC hyphen .NET hyphen RG. PwC is the project, .NET is the technology, and RG is the resource group. It represents resource group. Fine. Where you would like to deploy? Which region? What is the region?
US.
Okay, US is the region, India is the region. Fine. What is the region? Geographical location is called region. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
What is that? Geographical location is called region. So
Region.
I have more customers in East US. I am choosing this region. If we have more customers in India, see, South India, I have more customers. I am choosing this region. Clear? So what does it mean? I am bringing my application closer to customers. Got
Correct.
it? Yeah. Now, anyhow, I am choosing what? East US. Now go to the tags. What are the tags? Note it down. Tags is very important. Tags are name value pairs. Name value pairs is called tags. Okay, I can say introduce about yourself means what you will say about your education details, about your experience and key skills, right? Same way, for what purpose we are using this? We will add some meaningful tags associated for what? Resource. So for example, I am giving project. What is the project? This is the PwC project, Price Waterhouse Cooper. Now environment. For which environment you people are
.NET.
building? Yes, production.
Production.
Okay. What is the technology mainly you are using?
Java.net.
Yeah, technology. .NET, right? Clear? Yeah, project code. In the offices, they will maintain code for every
Codes
project,
for
right?
yes.
Okay. Project code. So I can say pwc-.net, okay, 2231, like this. Clear? By look at these tags, in tomorrow, if any new guys join in our organization, by look at these tags, they can easily understand that, right? Okay. Yeah, these are about what? Tags. Now for review on create it. Okay, create it. Okay, see, resource group has been created. What is the resource group? This is the one. pwc-.net-rg. Okay, yeah. Next. Now on top of it, can I deploy one virtual machine? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Generally, to create the virtual machine in real time, it will take minimum 7 days, guys. Why? Because first you have to submit the request to data center team. What is that? Data center team will first rack the space. Next, they will deploy the OS. Next, configure the networking, configure the ports, configure the firewall, configure the mounting tools, install the latest security updates. Finally, they will do all checklist, hand over to developers. To do this entire process, it may take minimum 7 days. But coming to the our Azure portal, see, just it will take only 1 minute. I am not telling even 2 minutes. Within a minute, your requirement and you can provision the resources. Okay. Now everything is instant. Everything in instant in our life Azure. Now go to virtual machine. See, there is a one option. What is that? VM. Okay. What is the virtual machine?
It is same machine which is located not in the hardware.
Yes, virtually appearing, right? So virtual machine is like it is physical server. Do you agree? It is like physical server. Clear? Or physical rack, we can say, where we can deploy and manage the applications. Got it? Okay. Yeah, fine. Now go and create it. Okay. Next, apart from that, we can create the virtual machine with two operating systems, right? What are they? One is client side OS. Other one is what? Server side OS. Okay. What are the client side OSs? We have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Server side, again we have
Linux
Windows. Come
server.
on. Again we have what? Linux, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Windows we have different versions. What are they?
Yes, server.
2000 Windows 2000 server.
Yeah, Windows Server 2012, 2016, next 2019. Latest is what? 2022. Okay, coming to the Linux. Under Linux, there are different flavors. What are they?
Red Hat.
Ubuntu,
Ubuntu.
CentOS, Red Hat, Oracle Linux. Okay, next.
Z series.
Yeah, Divine, SUSE. Okay, Amazon Linux. Many things are there. Let it be. Now, have a look. So again, I'm repeating. What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. Your resource should be deployed under pwc-.net-rg. Okay. Yeah. Next, what is the virtual machine name? We can mention anything. I am giving .net hyphen web server. What is that? .net hyphen web server. Just giving some meaningful name. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Next, region. See, guys, under which region you would like to place? East to west. See availability image. See, if you observe here, we have Windows 10, 2016, 19,
Shikhar,
20.
can we choose a different region than means like what we have selected in while
Yeah,
creating?
yeah, you can choose it. But what, yeah, I am going for West US. Got
Okay.
it? So resource group can be one region. Resources can be different region. No issues.
Okay.
Got it, guys? Clear? Yeah. Next. Now I am choosing East US. Okay. If you observe, free service are available. We are using, what is that? Free trial, right? So whatever the free service are eligible, you can only use them. That's it. If you go and verify other things, you may not be created. It will request us to upgrade our subscription to pay as you go model. Okay, clear? Yeah, these many regions are there.
Yeah.
So fine, I am going for whatever the free it is showing. You people can choose and happily use it. Got it? Yeah, I am going for what? East to West. Okay, so here images. We have different types of images. Okay, we have Ubuntu, SUSE, Red Hat, Oracle Linux, Debian, and Ubuntu latest version, CentOS. So now I am using what? Windows Server 2022. This is the latest version. 2022 is the latest from Windows 10. Okay, yeah, fine. Next. So this is the VM where I am deploying, guys, in cloud, right? In cloud. So this is my laptop. What is that? This is my laptop. Okay, from this laptop, how can you connect this mission? We have to pass username and password, right? Okay, to connect this mission, we have to use one protocol called RDP. What is that, guys? RDP. RDP means remote desktop. What is the port number for remote desktop? Any idea?
3389.
Yes, 338. After creating this virtual machine, we have to deploy one application, right? Maybe Java or .NET. So I deployed the application protocol called HTTP. What is the port number for HTTP?
Uh, STTP is 80.
80. That is the standard. HTTPS?
443.
Yeah, 443. These are all the standard specs in respect to of application. Okay, fine. Now have a look. I am going to pass username. What is the username? I can say Azure admin, or if it is SQL server, SQL admin. The name can be anything. So I am passing some meaningful name, cloud admin. What is that? Cloud admin. What is the password? SharePoint at the rate of 12345. SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Next. What are the port number I am going to use? See, this is the RDP. This is STD. Now scroll down. Okay. Click on next. There is a what? Desk. What is the desk?
Storage.
Disk is storage entity. Next. What is that? Storage entity. Yeah. Next. And it is used to store. What is that? Personal
Images.
or application data. Do you agree?
Mhm.
Okay. Using this, we can store personal or application data.
Application data.
Okay. Yeah. Next. Now go and check. Yeah. Here. This is the desk. Okay. So they are providing encrypt. What is that encrypt, guys?
Encryption so that your data will be safe.
Secure,
Means like
safe.
Yeah. Safe. Okay. So I can theft that data. I can decrypt and use it, right?
yes.
Yeah. Then what is the use?
It is
Means like
decrypted
if
into
it
using some algorithm.
Yeah.
UTTF or something.
Yeah, very good. Actually, why they are providing encryption is, for example, this is the Microsoft data center. There is your rack. So unfortunately, see, through some other way, I enter into the Microsoft data center. I unplug it. I took this list. I can go away. I can connect my machine. I can read the data, right? Even though if you do like this, you cannot able to read this data. That is kind of algorithm they implemented. What is that?
UTTF
Encryption.
or
Microsoft. Even though you tap to this disk connected to your another laptop and try to read it out, you cannot do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you require the decrypt keys.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, that is what it is saying. What is that? REST with platform managed. Okay, this is server side encryption. Am I right? Microsoft side they are doing. Here is a client side encryption. What is that client side encryption? You got my question?
so this algorithm what we are using the server side, no, that
Yeah,
same
server side.
algorithm for
Yeah, server side is finished. Okay,
yes.
so you are there on disk that is encrypted. Even though if I theft that disk, if I steal in that disk, when I try to read it, you cannot able to do that. That is one complaints. Forget about it. Next, what is the client side scripting? Client side encryption.
To read from the server side, no, again to decrypt it.
Client side means, for example, you are the vice chancellor or you are the CEO of that organization. What you are
Only I
doing?
can
You are
read.
traveling in the train, bus, or air. Okay. Always you are connecting to your data center itself. Am I right? Your laptop.
Yes.
You are doing some personal work. So you slept. You already you are sleeping. I theft that laptop. I can go and steal in your data, right? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. That case, what will happen?
Loss. Data loss.
Loss. Yeah, when you do client-side encryption, what will happen? No, even though you theft my laptop, when you're trying to encrypt it or decrypt it, it won't happen. That is power of security Microsoft implementing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what client-side
Client side
encryption.
encryption.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now, networking. Okay. So yeah, what is the networking? Any idea?
That means like serve
Connection of different servers or
machines, like
machines.
Yeah,
your
network. Yeah,
router.
networking in the sense, you see, by default,
Bringing all the
there are
servers
two
in.
types. Yeah, by default,
Router
there are
switches
two
and
types of network. One is public, other one is what? Private.
Right.
Okay, what is the public?
Everyone
The
can use
Anyway,
it.
everyone can access.
yes, the resources can be accessible from anywhere in the world. Is called public. Okay, private in the sense,
Strictly to some
Is
people or
organization within
yes,
that
within the
organization.
organization. For example, we are doing the job in TCS. What we'll do, we will go to office. First, we will connect it to TCS laptop. Then we will connect it to TCS client network. Then we will able to access all these services. Am I right?
yes.
Yes. So yeah, what type of virtual network? This is the virtual network. So under that, it is deploying one subnet. So every subnet, it is what? IP range. Networking itself big topic that we will see later. Okay, so what is the IP? For example, I created one VM. It provides what? One public IP.
Public IP.
Okay, if I share that public IP with you, you can access and connect my machine. Clear? Yeah, this is about what? Network. Next,
So,
management.
Shekhar, but you told us that when we assign an IP, it is chargeable.
Yeah, public IP chargeable, right?
Okay.
For example, if you take Act Internet FiberNet or Geo FiberNet, you are paying the amount, right? Around
Yes.
800,000.
Yes.
So you are paying IP address for 300. When you take that in FiberNet, Act FiberNet, they will assign one public IP for your router. Did you observe?
Yes.
So yeah, what is my IP? Type it. Yeah, this IP is constant for you. This IP itself, the cost is 300, guys. Remaining 400, they are charging for services. That's it.
Mm.
If you want to purchase another IP, you can call to Act FiberNet or Geo FiberNet. They will assign another IP. They will charge 300 rupees more additional amount. Got
Okay.
it? Okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is about what? Management. What is the management? See, guys, there are two types of logs. One is boot diagnostics. Other one is
So
OS diagnostics. Clear? Boot means what is the boot?
starting time.
Boot your
Boot is
system,
self
boot your
check,
device.
self checking of the system, means like hardware and all that they are checking.
Yes, correct. Booting in the sense, if there are any hardware failures, if there are any, what is that, outage,
RAM,
any hardware is not working under, those kind of logs we can store it in, where is that?
boot diagram.
Boot diagnostics. So to where we can store, you can disable it, no issues, but I need to maintain those logs. So that case, enable with custom storage account management. Yes. What is the storage account name? You can mention anything. Uh, boot logs storage account. Okay. Yeah. In this location, it should store. This we will call it as what? Storage account. Okay. After this class, we will discuss about storage account. What is that? By default, just remember, if anything happen on my top of virtual machines, those logs should be pointed to what? The storage account. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Where I'm storing in cloud, not in my local machine. Okay, guys. Yeah,
So we
save.
are using some storage and this is also chargeable.
Yes, this is also chargeable, 100%. Nothing is
Mm.
free in the world.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Initially, they will give some free offers. Later, they will charge everything.
Mm.
Best example, Geo, you know, right? Geo.
Yes, yes,
Initially,
Yes,
it is
yes,
free for 6 months. Then
yes.
100 rupees. Next 350. Now 800 rupees, right? Did you observe?
yes.
Yeah. Finally, all small providers are gone. There are three networks only: Geo, Vodafone, Airtel. That's it.
Airtel.
Do you have anything? No, right?
No.
Yeah. BSNL, anyhow, it's gone. We cannot consider it. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now, this is the identity. Identity in the sense,
Specific
identity.
person.
You can use some manager key, guys. Manager key means to access some data, you can put the key and we can read the data. Okay. For that purpose, we will use manager identity. Okay, fine. Next, log into the AD.
Identity is
Generally,
like means like some ownership
yes,
like
Active Directory.
Mhm.
You mean to say identity?
Means like that what type of access, means like it's a
Yeah,
simple
for
user
example,
or
yeah, some keys are there. Security keys are there. They will
Mm,
keep it in key vault services. There is a one option called key vault services.
okay.
They are fully encrypted it. That key vault, we will use it within the server. But even developers also, the code will be like this. Okay, but this key represents in key vault.
Okay,
Actual key
once we
vault
will
stored
provide
in,
this key, once we will provide this, then we can access these codes.
yes, correct. So your application can use this one. Using this keyword, it might be communicate the database, response will be back. So this cannot be readable. The actual data will be there in keyword. Got
So
it?
it's type of a key that manage entity.
Encrypted key, yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, next. Auto shutdown. What is the auto shutdown? Mid, yeah, if I give the timestamp midnight 12 o'clock, automatically it will get shut down. If your virtual machine is shut down, okay, billing cycle will be stopped.
Stopped.
Got it? For example, I started one small business. So I purchased one server in Google Azure Cloud. So this cost per month is assume that 12,000. Okay, 12,000 it is very cost for me. So what I will do now, I don't have the business midnight 12 o'clock to morning 6 o'clock. I will shut down the VM. So 6 hours into 10, 60 rupees per month, 1800 I can save. Am I right?
Correct.
Yes. So this is what? Shutdown. Okay. If really don't require your server to be up and running, happily people can go and stop it. What time? As per Indian time zone. Yeah, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. So before shutting down, you will get notification. This is the notification. We will get, owner will get notification.
Okay.
Clear? This is about what? Virtual machine. Now click on advanced. See guys, here you can provide advanced extensions in the sense, this is the raw server. Am I right? Only we will get this server with operating system. That's it. If you want to install any third party add-ins, if you want to install any third party monitoring tools and all, we can purchase it and install it. Okay. For example, when I click on it, see here we have backups. Okay. Semantic, and we have API insight, application insight, performance counters. Okay. And the chef, cloud control, everything is there. Got it? To verify to use these tools, there are additional charges. At this time, it's not required. I am leaving at default. After creating the server, I will go and add it. Required add-ins. Okay, next,
Uh,
tags.
what's exactly the purpose of that, Shiga?
Purpose in the sense, this is the raw server. If you want to monitor your server, what we have to
Okay.
do? Install monitoring tool in this top of
Okay.
this server.
Okay.
Once you
Okay.
install the monitoring tool, you can go and monitor the CPU utilization, network in and out, and the
Cost
data
and all that.
disk operations and all, right? That is the extensions. Okay. Yeah. Next, tags. What are the tags?
Tags means like name,
Name value
their value.
fields. I'm
Yes.
giving you right name value fields. Okay. So can I say server? What type of server it is? Web server. Do you agree?
Yes.
We
Yes.
have web server, app server, SQL server.
Database.
Yes.
Okay. Environment.
Six. Yeah.
Can I say prod?
Production or
Yes,
control or
production.
LLP. Yes.
Yes, owner. Who is the owner? Mike at the rate of pwc.com. Something else. Okay. Yeah. Next, click on review and create it. Okay. Yeah. See, validation is passed.
You have
Now,
credit
yes. See, what is the per month cost?
9
9
rupees,
rupees. Sorry. For our cost, 9 rupees. Monthly cost? Go for calci.
270.
Okay. 9 into 24 hours. Per day cost 216 into 30 days. Okay. Per month
600.
cost is, what is that? Around 7,000. Okay, guys. Yeah. Next. Once you are happy with all these settings, okay, whatever you paused, go ahead and click on create it.
Create a virtual machine.
Yeah, it is submitting the request.
On weekend, there is no class.
Tomorrow?
On weekend, there is no class. On Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, this is the first weekend, right? So tomorrow they will inform you guys. I think tomorrow session is there.
So Shekhar, when is this batch started?
Yeah, Monday onwards, continuously. Tomorrow we have session, guys. Okay. See, just 6 hours 59 minutes we started. Almost is completed. Now go and check. Go to virtual machines. What is the server name? .NET
web server.
web server. See, this we will call it as dashboard. Okay, so here resource group, .NET resource group, operating system Windows, status running, location East US, subscription. This is the one, subscription ID, and here we have what?
Public IP.
Public IP. This is the virtual network DNS name. So what about tags? See, here we have tags. What are the tags we mentioned? Server, web server, environment, production, owner is the owner. Clear? Yeah, how can you connect this mission? Copy this IP.
Okay.
Start. Remote desktop. What is that? Remote desktop. Paste it. Connect. What is the username did I pass? Cloud admin, right?
Okay.
What is the password? SharePoint at the rate of 123.
1, 2, 3.
Connect. Yes. See, I am able to access. Am I right? If I provide, see, I am providing IP address in the chat. Username, cloud admin, password, SharePoint at the rate of 1234. Okay, I am using it. Okay, you people can connect this machine by passing those credentials. Okay, this is how we can create and access the virtual machine. So for practice it in next session, what I will do now, I will go and deploy the IAS web server. On top of that, how to host one ASP.NET application that I will show you next session. Okay. Yep. Okay. Any questions? Any doubts?
I have a quick
post-
question.
Yeah.
It might be not related, or it might be we will see later in this class.
Yeah.
But so I'm a business analyst, and I want to make sure that, are we going to cover how we can manage user stories in Azure DevOps? Or
Yes. Yes. I will show you. Yes. Agile methodology, right? You are telling.
Yes.
Yes,
So
yes.
user stories are only managed in Azure DevOps, or how does this DevOps thing works with user stories? It's pretty new for me. If you can explain a little bit about it, that'll be great.
Yeah, user stories that will be taken care by manager, project leads, team leads. Okay, there is a dev.azure.com. This is the Azure DevOps. Okay, here people can create the project. For example, you are working in an organization, the project you can create like PWC-.NET project. I am mentioning. So use it as a description. Now, here we have advanced, right? We need to implement Agile methodology. Okay, now create it. Okay, so you are the resource. Okay, you are the associate in the organization. What they will do is they will go and create the what? Sprint. Okay, create new work item. If you observe, this is what? User story. Okay, for example, I am giving some title, create and deploy virtual machines in prod environment. This is the user story. Got it? To whom I need to assign? Someone, whoever it is. For example, I am giving Divya. Save and close it. So I am assigning this user story for Divya. Divya has to create the tasks. For example, preparing Terraform repo. So when I click on it, assign their self, Divya, and you have to start working on it. So how many effort hours are required to create the repo? Assume that 5 hours are. So created Terraform.
So Shekhar, that way we are assigning means like for application developers also the works like
Yes,
that.
application developers, administrators, leads, project managers, everyone they are coming to this platform now.
Mhm.
Got it? For example, this task is completed. You can go and what? Closed it. It will move over there. Tomorrow you are going to create another work item. Create another task. Creating build pipeline. What is that? Create build pipeline. Assign to whom? Divya. See, you need to start working on it. For example, this is taking like 8 hours, completed 8 hours, successfully run the build pipeline. This is Agile methodology. Everyone now, every company in the world, they started using what? Agile methodology. See, so once this task is completed, move it. Like that, this
This is
sprint will be
this
completed within span of 15
uh,
days, 2
and
weeks.
these are the pipelines which you were discussing
Yes,
means like
yes, yes. Later on, we will use it. Yes,
continuous integration and
yes,
integration.
yes. Got it, Patel?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, creating the task, assigning the user stories, okay, that all depends on client requirement. This is DevOps. We will see it later. I don't want to make confusion. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for explaining.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Any more
Hi,
questions? Yeah.
Shekhar. This is Satish Shekhar. Just I joined in middle of the session, and so can you tell me, like, you are going to cover the Azure admin and Azure DevOps. So how much you are going to cover the certifications stuff?
Yeah. This is total certification syllabus only, which I have covered. I am going to cover for these two, Azure administration and DevOps. So, and yesterday only I presented that syllabus, whatever the
Okay.
modules I am going to cover. I will also share with you just to go
Okay.
through them. That is certification syllabus itself.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
is
this
it
is the,
that is going to start by tomorrow, or maybe you started
yeah, it
already?
is continuing. It is continuing.
Okay.
Yeah, you can treat them. This is the demo. One by one, we are moving out here. Continuous sessions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Shekhar sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Well, right now you have created the virtual machine and you share your ID,
Mhm.
can I use those ID from my side?
Yes, we can also connect that. We will collect as public cloud, right?
Okay.
Public in the sense anyone can access. For example, there is a tcs.com. You can access this, right? This is the public.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right now, can if I create a if I create a new account in the Azure,
Okay.
I want to make sure to create a virtual machine, or I didn't want to create any virtual machine, create a virtual machine account in that.
For a virtual machine amount, they will use it.
Actually, I'm very new for this application. Like I didn't know anything about cloud, Azure cloud.
Okay. Yeah.
That's why.
So I will take care about it. So if you are, this is the new session for you.
No, this is the second class. Like
Okay.
yesterday, I was attended yesterday class.
Yeah. So practice it. Okay. So still, if you have any questions, you can ask me. I will clarify all your doubts.
Okay, that's why I'm asking. Which has you saved the link? It was we can use it as a more publicly.
Yes, it is more publicly correct.
We can
By
use.
default, our Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google, they are public cloud. Got it. If you
Okay.
want create your own network, yes, you can create our private network. Within the private network, you can go and deploy services
Okay.
that can be accessible within the network. So to connect them, we will use VPN connections. You know, right? Virtual private network appliance. So we will using those appliances, we can connect and access secure way within the network.
Okay, we can use as both ways, like private wise and private wise and public wise.
Public in a sense, some sites would be required to publish that into publicly, right? If it is press release is there, okay. If you want to market your product, then you should have public site, right?
Okay.
Yeah. For example, tcs.com, I accessed it. Okay. When I access tcs.com, that should be public, right? See, they
Yes.
are mentioning passport.
Yes.
Now Tata is managed Indian passport system, right? So they got extended. What is that?
Visa.
Partnership license.
Okay.
And they introduce what? They are in first in the French benchmark customer satisfaction. So to provide and market their products, you should your site should be public, right? If one site is there for only internal employees, internal organization, then they will go for private application.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes. Yeah, this is about overview of Microsoft Azure. So whoever is not subscribed so far Azure Free Trial, go and subscribe it and practice it today. So whatever the service which I deployed now, same thing, try to practice it. If you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow. I will clarify your doubts. Then we will move to next topic.
Hi,
Okay.
Shekhar.
Yeah.
What is the JSON view in our previous virtual machine page?
Duration?
No, in our page, I can see one option, JSON view. What is that? Can you
Where
please
do
go
you
to
see?
that slide? JSON view.
This one?
This one. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
this is customization. They are providing whatever it is appearing no in background code. It is this thing. That's it.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Tomorrow we'll connect back.
Thank you, Shikhar.
Yeah. Bye. Yeah.